It ain't worth it, fam. It's not worth all of the arguments. You're wasting your time. It's not worth what it can lead to. Let's stop with the arguments. Now, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm a witness. It can be tempting not to argue with somebody. I'm married, so you know that I'm a witness. Arguments come with marriage. Not all the time, though, but sometimes it happens. I just want to encourage you to not waste your time. Don't waste your time with going back and forth with people. Some of the time, when you engage with arguments, it's with people that you care about. It's with loved ones, with family, with friends. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, fam. It can lead into worse. And sometimes it does lead into worse. It ain't worth it. I know about it. I know about ignoring what somebody got to say so that I can get my point across. Are you a witness? I bet you are. Don't lie. I know about over talking somebody. I know about trying to make my point sound stronger and more compelling, even when I'm wrong. Let's stop the arguments. Let's conduct ourselves like the children of the Most High, for we are the children of the Most High. Let's act like it. Let's act like it, family. I know it's tempting. I know you want to argue. I know you want to be right. But even if you win that argument, if you so-called win, you actually lose. It's a lose-lose situation. It's not worth the stress. It's not worth the anger. It's not worth the emotions. Let's be the light. Let's have self-control. Let's not be about arguments, for it brings out the worst. It brings out the enemy. It brings out the adversary. You are chosen by the Most High. Let's be about the work of the Most High. Instead of arguing with people, let's listen to what they got to say. Now, I know that's hard. Many times, arguments happen simply because we're not listening. Listening is extremely underrated. We have to be slow to speak, quick to listen. We got it twisted. We quick to speak and we slow to listen. You know I'm a witness. That's why I'm sharing this with you, because I know how it feels to want to be caught up with arguments. You're better than that. You are chosen. You are selected by the Most High. As I close this video, I encourage you, family. I encourage you to stop the arguments. Even when we disagree with somebody. I didn't say if, I said when, because it happens. We all have different perspectives. I encourage us to think for ourselves. Let's think for ourselves. And when we disagree with our friends, our family, our spouse, with people, instead of arguing, let's be slow to speak, quick to listen, slow to anger. When this video ends, apply Proverbs 15, verse 1. I don't have the scripture right in front of me, so I'm going to take a chance, family. I'm going to try to recall. Now, if I get it wrong, which I probably can, but I'm going to take a chance, feel free to give me some edification. Proverbs 15:1 says, a soft answer turns away wrath, but a grievous word stirs up strife. I'm paraphrasing because I don't have the scripture in front of me. Proverbs 15:1. Let's be about it, family. A soft answer. I repeat, a soft answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Let's stop with the arguments. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King.